Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about public and private buy and sell groups. Let's get started. Facebook groups can help your brand and your marketing strategy. You can sell and promote your products without paying to advertise your product promotions. You can expect to have requests from people who would like to be part of your community. You can also find Facebook groups that are already established with thousands of group members. Most of the time, these are created by the group admins, and you can advertise your products that are for sale inside their group. Keep in mind to read the group's rules first before you sell your products. Public groups are open to all users. Anyone who discovers your group will be able to view any content inside the group. But any Facebook user who is not a member yet will need to request to join the group so that they can post content and reply in the comments section. Facebook users who are looking to purchase products from a public buy and sell group have limited activities such as browsing the content of the group, liking the post, or sharing it. If the post has a link that people can visit and check out the seller's products, the buyers don't need to join the public group. If they have inquiries, they can send a direct message to the seller. As a seller, you can promote and sell your products on public buy and sell groups that you can discover on Facebook. Depending on the buy and sell group's niche, you can attract potential buyers who are interested in your products. By choosing the right community, you're more likely to attract buyers who are willing to shell out money just to obtain the products that you are promoting. Make sure to include a link to your Facebook page where they can learn more about the products that you are selling, or include your e-commerce website. This allows your potential buyers to have an option to take action and purchase your product even if they don't join a public buy and sell group. Private groups are open only to group members who have been approved to be part of the group. Non-members will not be able to view the content of a private group. They need to join and get approved first before they can view all the posts that are up for sale and post their products for sale. When creating your group, take note that when you have already set the group to private, you cannot change it to public anymore. Some private groups will include a link to their website or a link to their Facebook page. While Facebook users are waiting for their membership's approval, they can visit your website or Facebook page to view your content and learn about your brand. If your membership request is approved, it will now be possible to view all the content shared inside a private group. If your brand has products that are related to this group, then you can promote to thousands of people who are interested in this group's niche. When you post your products for sale, there's a huge possibility that one of these members will be interested to purchase your products. You can also look for posts from members who are looking to purchase products that you might be selling. You have a greater chance of selling your product to these members who are looking to buy these particular products. You can comment on the post where the member is looking to buy that product, and the good thing about replying to that post is that the other members will see your comment as well. That can also attract other group members to be intrigued with your product, and they might send you inquiries. Private groups can guarantee that the audiences inside the group will respect their membership. They won't spam the group or share content that is not allowed as seen on the group rules. Now that you know about public and private buy and sell groups, we can now proceed to the next chapter, selling using groups. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.